Hi everyone, today's video we'll see how we can create this timesheet. So this sheet covers the employee movement details, morning and afternoon shift with time in and time out. So it calculates every day's time and the total monthly working hours. You can download the template from the description. Hi friends, once again welcome to the Click for Knowledge. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Please do subscribe and support and share with your friends. Now let's create the template. For that I'm updating the details. Time card, I'm mentioning as time card the heading, so I'm just enlarging it. Okay, now I'll update the remaining fields. So I'm updating the employee name here, right? So your employee name will be highlighted here. I'm putting as yellow. Okay, so this will be adjusted in the later stage. Okay, now I'm updating the time in, so this is in the format of HH:MM, so hours and minutes spaces, and then I'm updating time out. Okay, so this is also in the HH and MM format. Okay, so this is the morning time in and time out, so I'm copying and pasting into the afternoon time on, time in and time out the same way. So I'm inserting another column here, right, to update the morning shift and afternoon. I'm just removing the yellow, which is it's carried forward from the above row. Okay, I removed it. Now let's update morning shift here, and also merge it to make the cell, and also put here as afternoon shift. Now merge and adjust. Now let's put some colors to it, and I'm here dust wrapping it so that it's in the right format. Now I'm updating total working hours. One thing which you need to note while entering a time in a Excel, that it should be in a proper format. So you need to do an HH:MM format, that is hours:MM. So if you put a number instead of this format, Excel read it as a number instead of time, so it should be properly mentioned. The HH:hour first, and then colon, and then give the minute after that, right? This is very important. Also you can change the time format by right clicking and then go to the format cells and updating it. Now I'm just color coding it, putting it to blue and white, right? So which is the standard format which I use for my videos, right? So let's update the other cells as well. Putting the table now. Okay, colors like blue and white again. Okay, now I'll just first column, I'm just I don't want the number, I'll change it to date, because we are looking at the overall month's timesheet. So I'm updating date, right? So I'll put the date of 1st April. Okay, right, so so this is not in the formats. First here month comes first, so I need to change it to 04 and 1 after that, right? So I'm just changing to 4, and this is a 4th month, 1st day. So I'm just dragging and copying remaining fields. Now so I have the time here, the morning shift and afternoon shift. Now I need to calculate the total working hours for that particular day. So use the formula equal to, and open the bracket, select timeout minus time in, close the bracket, plus and then next shift. So open the bracket again, then timeout minus time in. So enter, you get the total working hours for that particular day. So I'm just copying and pasting it the remaining field, so that I can use it into the remaining days. Okay, so for the ease of purpose, I just copying and pasting into all the remaining cells, so it's automatically calculated the total working hours for each day. So I'll do it for the entire months, and format it. By change any time, it's automatically capture the total working hours, and you can see it's already reflected here, right? It's all are in the time format. Okay, so I'm just adding the remaining days in the month till 30th of April. I'm putting the table, and copying pasting the same dates in all the feeds. This you can use it based on your requirements. I'm sorry for that. I'm copying and pasting the formula into all the remaining fields, so you get the entire month's working hours. So now I need to calculate the total working hours for the entire month. Here so the trick is that the time format need to be in proper way. So I'm using a sum formula, and I'm dragging and selecting the entire month's working hours. Okay, total working hours, and then close the bracket. You get the total, but it's not in the right format. So you need to go to format cells and go down here and select this bracket H. Always select this to calculate in custom. Okay, just end up, you get the total working hours for the entire month. So formatting is very important, and while dealing with time, right? Excel don't recognize that time and the number when you are providing a details or enter a number into the Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoy this video. You can download the template from the description, and also please do subscribe my channel and support. Let me know your comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.